Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Wicked Bee of the West YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Stephanie Diana Eubank. I teach business administration at Stan State, and I am the sole proprietor of Wicked Bee of the West Business Consulting. Today, I want to talk about something simple but powerful. Clarity is kindness. This is a term that has been coined within those in the neurodivergent community, specifically the idea within ADHD, autism, dyslexia, and other cognitive differences. Clear, direct communication reduces anxiety, confusion, and misinterpretation. But there's a problem. In most workplaces, what leaders say and what they actually mean are two totally different things. Leaders often say things like, "We welcome feedback," or "We want your ideas," but many employees quickly learn that isn't always true. It's often just conversational politeness, or other words, it is performative business. And when that happens, trust breaks down. Research shows that real feedback cultures and cultivates a psychological safety within the leadership and followership dynamic. These feelings that you can speak up without fear of consequences are crucial. But when feedback isn't genuinely valued, employees disengage. So, what can you do? You can professionally clarify intent, ask simple, respectful questions like, are you looking for brainstorming ideas or just alignment? Do you want candid input or general impressions? Is the decision already made or is it still open? These questions create clarity and can help create trust within, again, that business leadership and business followership dynamic. For many neurodivergent professionals, you may ask for explicit expectations, follow-up conversations in writing, and use structured feedback formats. Just in case those nuanced concepts can be difficult, I personally utilize Microsoft Copilot to help, and I quote, soften the tone, because oftentimes in a neurotypical sphere of business, some of these questions can come off combative. So making sure that you're putting it into a business professional and softened tone helps make the conversation actually more fluid and, again, creating kindness through clarity. For neurotypical professionals, modeling a direct communication, validating different interpretations can help build more inclusive psychological safety spaces across the board. But here's the bigger issue. The bigger issue is the fact that in both leadership and human resource circles, there is an operation within the cultural concept of lion and sheep mindset. This is where leadership asks for input, but they don't truly value it. They see it as more the lion asking for the opinions of sheep. And that is a truly toxic way to look at the delicate balance between leadership and followership. And that's not just inequitable, it's bad for business. It kills innovation, increases turnover, and erodes the trust between leadership and followership. Clarity is kindness, isn't just a neurodivergent principle, it's a leadership responsibility. If organizations truly want innovation, they need to align their words with their actions. Because when people know they're being heard, they show up differently. This has been studied, especially utilizing Kaizen philosophy. Thanks for being here with me. And as always, let's choose clarity. And as I always say, remember, remote work, it's here to stay. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. You can also check out my book on Amazon, Remote Work, It's Here to Stay. Thanks so much and be well.